How to hide Instagram post from someone without blocking them. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Let's get started. First thing first, launch your application. Once done, make sure that you are logged into your account and you will see a page like this. Now, if you would like to hide a post from someone without actually blocking them, here is one thing that you can try. Tap on three bar icon. You will get landed onto settings page. Here you will see search. Tap onto it, type in restricted, then you will see restricted button. Open it and tap on learn how it works. Now, if you restrict somebody's account, they won't be able to tag you, mention you, or remix your content, and they will no longer see that you were online, and they wouldn't know if you have restricted their account or not. So here is exactly what we are trying to do. Simply type in a name which you would like to restrict, then tap onto it. And now the account has been restricted. Now the person will not be able to see your post. Thank you all for watching. We will catch you up in our next upload.